Happy Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah. Remember that guy at Tim Hortons? When we lived in Buffalo, they have Tim Hortons there, and there's this guy that worked at one next to college where we used to go to, and he was always like super happy. You could get there at 5 o'clock in the morning. How did he say it? He was so nice though, but he would be like super excited, like, good morning and happy Monday. And I was just like, dude, I just woke up. But anyways, it was really nice. It's nice to have those kind of people that work there. I kind of vlogged a little bit yesterday, but I kind of stopped because we were just home all day. We didn't really do anything too exciting. And today too, we've been home all day. We're on our way to Home Depot right now. We need to pick up some more building supplies. And yeah, maybe we'll stop by Starbucks. Eddie's a little bit sick, so maybe we'll get some medicine ball teas. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, I'm not sure how long we're staying here. We do have to get back in time for Thursday. We need to be home for Thursday. But the homeowners told us we can stay here like throughout the whole weekend. They won't be here to just kind of like, you know, be on vacation or actually relax and not work. But I'm not sure. Maybe we'll go home and pick up my parents if they'll want to come. I'm not sure. It's hard because it's right before Christmas and I kind of want to be home, but it'll be nice to spend time here. We'll see. Saturday is our 5-year proposal anniversary. So December 20th is when he proposed to me.
December what?
20th or 22nd? 20th.
No.
Saturday's the 20th. 22nd?
It's either the 23rd or the 22nd.
22nd then. It's Saturday. Yeah, I know it's on Saturday.
My dad's birthday is the 20th.
Okay, yeah, no. It's Saturday, 22nd. Yes, you're right. But yeah, just gonna head to the store. Maybe we'll stop by somewhere else too and do some shopping. Just kidding. But yeah. I just went to Hobby Lobby and got some things. I'll show you once we get home, but look at this beautiful view. Oh, just getting made. The camera doesn't even pick up how beautiful it is. There it is, yep. So pretty, the sun's going down. There's the highway. Smells fishy.
Hey, can I get a small chocolate in a cone with rainbow sprinkles and a large vanilla in a cup with rainbow sprinkles?
Got our ice cream. It's kind of dark. I already took a bite of mine. There's his. You can't see it, but I had to wait a little bit, but that's okay. It was worth it. It got dark so quick.
Wait.
We are back home now, so I wanted to show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. I wasn't really planning on going in there, but Eddie had to go to Home Depot, and we were driving by Hobby Lobby. It was kind of like next door, so I had him drop me off there. And I usually don't have time or patience to walk through like the entire store. There's so much cute stuff and I feel like it's a little bit overwhelming, but I had to kill time because he was still at Home Depot, so I literally had time to walk around like the entire store. But a lot of their Christmas stuff was like 50 or 66% off. I think 66 it was. It's like a weird number, percent off. So I got a few things. I am still working on my Christmas house tour. I know it's like so late, but before we left the house, I quickly ran through and got some videos, and it was at nighttime, so it might be a little bit dark, but I wanted you to see at night when all the lights are on and stuff. So I'm putting that together now. It's not going to be long, it's going to be short, but some of the things I'll show you will kind of make sense after you see the house tour. One of the first things I got were these picks that go like in the tree, and you can fluff them out. So it's like this nice material. It's almost like a Christmas tree. You could fluff them out. And these I got for my rustic tree that's in my sunroom. And I got the ones with like the red berries because I do have like a few red ornaments on that tree. So it'll kind of bring it out a little bit. So I got 4 of these. These were, let me see if I could find one with a tag. Oh, I think it's right here. These were $5.99, and then I think they were like 66% off or something. So they came out really cheap. Next, I just got this little jar. I think this was $1.49. I got it for honey because we, especially around the Christmas time, we do eat a lot of honey or put honey in our tea. And I like to take a little jar when we're traveling. So when we were coming here, I didn't have like a little jar. I mean, I have like a tiny one, but that's enough for like 1-2 cups of tea. And I want it so it lasts me about a week. So, and I brought one with me, but it's a little bit too large. So I bought this one. It's like the perfect size, and it's just like a little perfect jar. Then I got these 2 terracotta pots, or clay pots, whatever you want to call them, for my plants. These were each $1.99. Just got 2 of them. Then I got this box. There's 4 ornaments in here. These were originally $14.99, and again, I think they were like 66% off. And same thing, they're for the tree in the sunroom. And sorry, you can see my light, but they have those like berries that match this. So I thought it was perfect. Next, I got these like just plain sparkly ornaments. There's 8 of them in here. No, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Just kidding. There's 12 of them in here. And I'm not sure if they're gonna match my tree. I think they should. I have more of like a white champagne theme kind of going on. If not, I could always return them. So there's 12 of them, and they were $7.99, and again, 66% off. Then I got these. So all it is like a thin, like feathery, what is this called? Strand. It was kind of in like the craft section where there was like little Christmas crafts you can do with kids. And these were originally $2.99, again on sale. And I'm not sure if I'll put these in my tree, but I think I got like 7 of these. These are 72 inches long. And I do have those furry ornaments, or those faux fur ornaments on my tree. So I thought maybe I would hang this up kind of as a garland, but we'll see. So I got 7 of these because I figured it's easier to return than having to go and try to find it again. The last thing I got were 2 of these faux fur stockings. These were also on sale, originally $13.99. I have different stockings, some of like the red kind, and then I bought 2 of like pink faux fur ones, also hanging in the office next to my little tree in the office. And since this year my husband and I are just doing stocking stuffers for each other, I wanted them to kind of be hanging in the living room, maybe on our fireplace. So I thought these would be perfect because they match the tree. So I don't know how long they'll be hanging up there because we do burn a fireplace quite often in the winter time. But at least for around Christmas time, and we could always take them off when we're burning the fireplace. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So for all of this, I think the total was like $41. Sorry, Mia's drinking her water. The total for all of this, I think, was around $41, and it wasn't bad because, again, everything was about either 66% off or 50% off. So yeah, that was a nice little shopping haul. We're trying to finish up here. We have to be home by Thursday. We have an appointment to go to. So maybe we'll go home either Wednesday evening. We'll see. So yeah, I think the rest of the evening I'm just going to clean up a little bit. I have some dishes to wash, and I mean, the house is a mess, and it's probably gonna stay like that until Eddie's all done working inside, but at least like the dishes and things like that I'll clean up. Eddie is all done painting this room. So as you can see, everything is kind of moved and a mess. I'm going to start off in the closet over here. I'm just going to wipe off this bookshelf or shoe shelf and put it back. It was standing over here. And then I'm going to do that with the rest of the furniture. Kind of wipe it down because it did get a little bit dusty. And then I'll have Eddie come help me and move all like the bigger furniture back. all done with this room. The closet is all done as well. Those are just some extra picture frames and stuff on the floor. That light is obviously going to go. I just have it in there for now. Put everything back. This is the room we usually stay in when we come. And then right over there is a bathroom. But we stayed in the other room because this room had to get painted. All done. I am about to take a bath. So excited. My battery's about to die, so I have to hurry up. But I'm just filling up the bathtub, going to take a bath, and then go to sleep. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all next time.